Alright guys, ito po yung bago nating update sa ating DJ Pro gamit ang Mac OS guys. 2011 ba to all? 2012 model. So yan guys, smooth pa lang naman yung ano nya, pwede pa niraran ko sa DJ Pro. Yan po guys. Okay, natin yung console nya guys sa Pioneer DDG 400. Filter nya guys, magka filter lang sila ng Serato guys, no? Tapos ang naka advance lang ng Serato ng DJ Pro guys, yung ano nya, effects. Try natin yung effects guys. Ito guys shape, tapos pad effects. Ito nga guys Napaka-nice yung effects ng DJ Pro AI guys. Okay, smooth sa ating MacBook Pro guys, 2011 model guys Pwede pa ito yung ano niya, may ano pa. Guys, pwede pa guys, no? Tapos in-install ko nung virtual DJ guys, parang ano natin, ma-compare natin kung anong pinakamaganda virtual DJ. At i-try natin yung Serato guys. Mamaya. Nice no guys, no? Look. Ito yung loop niya guys, pwede niya guys. Ay hindi nag-connect guys, so ka-error. Ito pala guys, nagalaw. Guys tapos compare natin tong ano guys sa Serato na apps. Wait lang guys, atong i-close to. Okay, try natin yung Serato guys. Yan. Try natin yung Serato pag ma-detect ba tong Pioneer DDG. Ayan guys, na-detect guys. So okay, ayan yung files. Gamit muna tayo ng ano guys, yung tawag nyan, Serato Lite. Try natin. Yun. Try natin yung ano guys, yung filter nya. Guys, ang Serato DG Lite sa ating MacBook guys. Yan po. Yan. Fully function yung ano niya guys, yung Pioneer DDG 400 guys. So updated version na to sa Serato guys. Yung bagong update ng Serato. Plug and play na po siya sa ano, sa Pioneer DDG 400 at sa yung 200. Yan po guys, at hope na maka-purchase tayo ng Serato DG Pro kung gagana ba yung Steam. Try natin yung Steam guys. Try natin yung Steam.
Monster Kill PJ.
I'd stop and stare at you walking on the shore. I try to concentrate.
Nice kayo guys ha. Nice yung ano niya, yung acapella.
I want to be with a woman just like you. Know that I'm the only man who can love you like I can.
Yan po yung kagandahan sa Serato guys, kasi napakaganda yung ano niya, yung Steam function. Napakalinaw guys. Wala siyang boses guys ha. Bukal mo na.
Watching the sun go down, the sky is dripping. We can get close now, feel the warmth within. Looking in your eyes, even so alive. Girl, when you touch me, it's time to take it through the night.
Ganda guys, napakalinaw ang ating Steam function ng Serato DG Lite guys. So yan po ang magandang update natin sa ating DG Pro at Serato DG Lite. Maraming salamat guys. See you next vlog and thank you so much. Bye bye.